Good morning, everybody. This is Sriram Subramanian meeting you after a very long time and wish you a happy Pongal. Today, I am going to talk about a very simple topic, the definition of sales and marketing. Let me start with a simple term, sales. Sales means delivering the product from the originator or delivering the service from the originator until the end consumer, which means there is an availability of a product. The product is available in abundance, there is a demand for the product, the price is set, so the market is available, and the process of bridging these two is called as sales. We will come back to this in a later video. Now let me discuss what marketing is actually means. Under marketing there are a few groups. First comes branding. I would bring this branding under marketing because it is a very unique and very uh, long run product developing the market. When it comes to branding, it could be a unique product. The market could be very unique, something what is not available currently. In this process of branding takes a lot of time. It creates an influence into the consumer that this product is very unique, and by using it the end consumer themselves feel very special. That is called as branding. Next comes creation of a market. In this case there is a product but for which the market is unidentified, in which case the marketeer or the marketing person creates a demand of that product into that market. This is called as unique market creation. The third one is that there is a demand for a product, the product is not available in production. In this case, the marketeer identifies the manufacturer of the product or the service and delivers to the market. This is also one form of marketing. The last one under the marketing is creation of both the product or service and the market for that product or service, in which case the marketeer has a very long foresight of what could be the need in the future, and thus creates or identifies the originator who can create a product or a service, and thus identifies the market in which it could be sold and creating a demand also in that market. Under marketing, one thing is very clear, that the role of a marketeer is very substantial. It is not just like sales where the delivery only happens. It involves a lot of time and effort and expertise in creating a product or service or influencing a demand into the market. Thus a marketing is very different from sales. Now, how do we do marketing or how do we do sales? In this regard, please wait for my further videos so that I will explain in detail how to do branding, how to do create a market for the product or service, or how to create a product or service for a particular market, and how to create both. In each of these topics, I will describe in detail of how to do marketing. And lastly, I will also give a video of what is the meaning of sales. For now, this is a short video from me, and please subscribe to my channel. This is Sriram Subramanian signing off from you and wish you a happy Pongal. Thank you.